Good morning and welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in, and for all the people who've subscribed, thank you for that. Appreciate your support. This morning, I'm up early. I'm usually the first one up around here because that's just how I do it. Anyway, I'm thinking of what would be a good subject for today. I want to try to be more substantive and provide information for people who either are planning to move here, who've got ideas about moving here. Maybe they have a girlfriend or a wife living here, children, or possibly even just people who are planning on coming here for a vacation. So I'm thinking, and I'm going to come up with a good idea, a good subject for today, and then I'll continue this later on. So thank you for tuning in and stay tuned. Okay, so here it is. I racked my brain, not too hard. I didn't want to bruise it. But I figured out a good subject would be public transportation here in the Philippines, how to use it, what it costs, where to catch it, and how to know which one to get on. So from a terminal, we're going to go explain from our terminal here, our local terminal, which is Imperial / Save More grocery store. That's where it's located. To Balibago Complex terminal, which is a shopping district and also a jumping off point for the bus lines, for other jeepneys taking you in different directions. And that will be my subject. I'll try to explain the cost, which is based on how many kilometers you're going to go, and also the procedure on how to get on, what to do, and all the details I can come up with. It's not super complicated, but it's something that if you're not familiar with it, if you've never been here, you might be a little hard to figure out. I got my little daughter over here trying to make fun of me. Hello. She's always my little angel next door. She keeps me on my toes. I love that kid. Okay, so stay tuned, folks. Got stuck in the rain, so I had to take a break. I don't know if you can see it, but now I'm just standing underneath the ledge here. I'll get it, don't worry. Had to return home for a while. It just got to be too hard to rain. I didn't have an umbrella. So I'll make another attempt here after lunch, maybe. Hang in there. Okay, so now we got the birds chirping and the sun came back out. When it rains here, it usually lasts for just an hour, maybe half an hour. It comes down hard and it comes down fast. So I'm going to make another attempt here. After Myrna gets done eating, she's going to go with me. We're going to walk back down and see what we can find out. Stay tuned, folks.
Banana, this banana.
Yeah.
Guys, we're going to give it to me for free.
Right. So we're taking a chance here. We're going to go back down and see if we can beat the storm for a little while. I don't know. What do you think?
It's gonna be slippery.
Huh?
It's gonna be slippery.
Slippery? Everything's slippery here in the Philippines, folks.
Why is everything? Only when it gets really heavy rain.
Uh-huh. Well, let's go over here and check out the tricycle. There's a big gray cloud kind of hanging over to the other side. Hello. What's this?
Birdie? Tawa ko po. Ha? Akala ko daddy mo. Saan po kayo pupunta? Diyan lang. Mag-video-video. Thank you.
What was that?
Where is daughter?
They're cleaning this up right here. I'm not sure what they're doing. I think they're going to build an archway. Welcome to this barangay or something like that. If you can see this. This is another form of transportation that I'll try to get to later. Because some of these are private owned, whoops, and some are for hire. I'm not really sure. That's a private, so that might be used for a shuttle for employees or something like that. Tricycle stand. So
I think they're gonna build the arch.
yeah, that's going to be the new government that's been installed here now. They always have a pet project. So this right here is the tricycle stand. And I don't know, at the current moment, there's no tricycle here. Without running
There's the rain.
People.
You don't want to go there in the rain. Oh, don't take a video of the dirt, honey.
Of the what?
Dirt.
No, they're cleaning it up. Now they've got tricycles for hire. They've also got tricycles that is people's personal use. Some are used for transporting materials or for the personal use of the family. But the ones that are for hire, you'll know the difference. There goes one, that's for hire right there. And we're going to try to run up and see if we can get to the tricycle or the jeepney stand without getting too wet. So, be right back. Here we got one now that showed up. That's your tricycle driver. Is it raining?
It is.
Honey, it's not that hard.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah, let's go. We'll go up there. We're going to walk up the hill here because for us it's not too far. We walk this distance all the time. I just want to see if we can beat this rain. I don't know. So hang in there. Stay tuned. Short little walk up the hill. Eggs for sale. Morning.
Ready po. Ready po. Bali, 7 ang isa.
I've taken the safer route on the sidewalk. But Myrna's a daredevil. She's walking out here next to the road. Very friendly people around here. No matter where you go, they're very friendly in the Philippines. That is something you can count on. So here's where we come to catch the Jeep. This will take you from this terminal to either Tagaytay or Balibago Complex Terminal. These are all Jeeps in waiting. So they have a procedure of one after the other who's ever in line. Whoops. Let's take a look. Honey, wait a minute. Hold on. So take a quick look inside. If you're lucky enough, you can get the front seat here.
Yes. Let's go that way.
This is the front seat. But if you're big, tall like me, you like that front seat. There's the empty one. They'll fill that completely up before they take off. Here are some of the Jeepney drivers right here. Playing the casino.
Morning, John. Where are you going?
Oh, no, well, we're just doing a quick video over here
Yes.
for YouTube. You guys are playing your card game, huh? Right on. Yeah. We're going to go in a ride. We got Myrna over there doing the negotiations. How are you today? Huh? No comment? Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Thank you.
So, honey,
We're just asking. Going towards Tagaytay.
Balibago,
Yeah, and Balibago.
Makano.
28 pesos. 28 pesos for
Balibago
one person. But
per person.
it depends. I don't know how much the student. The student is has less.
20.
Wow.
Senior?
Discount. Plus senior.
It's fine.
And disabled, senior,
If
and
it's senior citizen, it's 25.
oh, yeah.
If it's student, 25. Also
20.
25 pesos or 20.
Okay.
Depends.
That'll give us a rough idea, right? Okay. Let's go back over here.
So we're done.
Salamat po.
We're going towards
Now we're going to save more. The storm had passed us. We didn't need to do that. So that's good. This is a tricycle driver here would be heading down towards Tagaytay
Yeah.
or Balibago.
The same way.
And I think, I'm not sure about that, but I think he might be a unregistered driver, maybe, because he's not at the terminal.
Association of Barangay Tricycle Drivers.
So,
They call it SODA.
right, so tricycle drivers and jeepney drivers are under
They're different.
regulations. They have regulations.
They have their different areas to go.
Yeah.
Like going towards Tagaytay, she told me if you're going towards Tagaytay, it's 18 pesos. And it's stopped in the market, Tagaytay.
Oh. Okay.
Then you can ride another tricycle going
Two other destinations within
for
that.
sightseeing in Tagaytay.
So they've all got their designated areas they can drive. Myrna, honey. So they're licensed to only go a certain place,
Yeah.
And
Like
so,
this though, down here for the tricycle, it's only going towards Buklod.
Buklod,
Yeah.
the wrong guy.
The Tagaytay is going towards Puting Taho,
Right.
where we live.
So, on a tricycle, you cannot get a direct ride from Balibago to,
No,
for instance,
unless it's
Imperial.
private
Unless it's a private.
tricycle.
Right.
Not
So
for
we'll walk over here to another tricycle terminal, which takes you specifically, exclusively into the barangay of Buklod. They cannot go anywhere else. That's their jurisdiction or their specific location. You got to constantly watch for traffic because it's kind of a free-for-all.
They have another condo units here.
Oh yeah.
Solana Verde.
This
This is a solar.
a completely solar neighborhood is being built. I think it's actually open already, right? It's completely solar, which is the way of the future for this. And why not? It's perfect. Let's go see who we greet down here. A lot of friendly people, I tell you. It's always like that. I should say almost always like that. This is, I think, a school bus. Used as a school bus here.
Service for people who work in.
Or a workers' shuttle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably used to be.
There's rock and roll. Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
How are we today? Doing good?
Magandang umaga.
Always with the big smile? I know.
You know what magandang umaga is, right?
Good morning,
Good
Philippines.
morning. Hindi
Let's
pa
check
yan
this out.
kalakay.
These are the
Black.
Magbablog yan siya.
tricycle stand taking you into Buklod, barangay. Little eatery. That's a good place to hang out sometimes in a hot sunny day. It's cool back in here. These little things kind of pop up no matter where you are.
Hello.
Good morning. So that's,
Let's go to the tower.
yeah, we're going to go do a little sightseeing now since we're down here. So since we're down in this area, figure we take a little side trip, walk up here and check out this old, I don't know if it's an old bell tower or what this is, but
This is an old tower.
yeah,
They used to have no signal, I think, or power here.
this is like
Put it up.
a bell tower or what?
Yeah.
Not really sure about that, but it's old. It's a good place people like to hang out, like it's a park kind of here. And this is actually the old road into Buklod. It went straight up into Buklod, but they've done some remodeling, since they put in the Save More grocery store. Upgrades. Lots of friends here. Lots of friends in the Philippines. All right, folks, that's it for today. I hope that's been informative. If you have any comments or if you have any questions about what maybe I can find out for you, be sure to leave that in the comment area. Like and subscribe for me. And stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate your support. Have a nice day.